Look around. Technology touches every aspect of our modern lives. As electronic devices are rapidly replaced with newer and better ones, the older devices are rapidly converted to electronic waste, and they join an ever-growing pile, weighing in at over 65.4 million tons. That's the equivalent to not 2, not 20, but 200 Empire State Buildings. At Acton, we're committed to doing our absolute best to save the planet by reducing our environmental footprint. And this shows in various parts of our operation. This includes continuously educating our staff on environmental consciousness and the exclusive use of non-hazardous chemical substances in all of our manufacturing plants. We're committed to a 1% annual reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. As an established environmentally friendly company, our engineers are truly creative in finding new ways to enhance the sustainability of our manufacturing processes. It's 1998, and Acton enters the electronics manufacturing business as a team of entrepreneurial engineers with a shared vision of networking equipment. To keep up with the demand for next-generation networking, we started deploying robotic AI on our manufacturing lines more than 20 years ago. As components get smaller, more precise, and more complex, the use of robots has become a necessity to achieve maximum efficiency. Continuously expanding the use of robotic technology and AI dramatically reduces the number of workers we need to do repetitive tasks. Overall, this boosts productivity levels and it increases yield rates by eliminating human error. To put it in perspective, prior to leveraging robotic AI technology, we could produce 1 circuit board per hour. With robotics, we can now deliver up to 100 circuit boards per hour. And with 8 surface mount lines at this site alone, it's safe to say that we're able to deliver 800 circuit boards per hour, 6,400 circuit boards per day, and 192,000 circuit boards per month. Now that's what I call maximum efficiency. Acton implements rigorous total quality assurance at every stage of production, and we've obtained ISO 9001, TL 9000H, and many other rigorous quality certifications. From product design and development to manufacturing, Acton continues to enhance the quality of products and services it provides to your business. Quality, efficiency, and environmental consciousness are 3 critical aspects to consider when you're selecting a new technology partner. With a successful track record spanning 30+ years, Acton is the partner of choice for companies with their eye on the future. Let's help save the planet.